welcome back to Switching Gears. I'm about to install my sun visors, as some of you call rain guards, but right before that I got the carbon fiber pillars from Boosted Whips, and these are 3M tape, and this is a perfect weather to do this as it is hot and this will stick right through. I will do an adhesive promoter on the actual pillars right before I put this, but this is going to look amazing as I am doing a carbon fiber year on my car, and I will be installing a bunch of carbon fiber installations. I got this from boostedwhips.com. The owner is a G70 owner actually as well, and he's very knowledgeable with the G70, so check him out. I will link it in the description as well as on top of this video right here, and I suggest you guys check out that website. He has a ton of mods over there that you can order from, and he can actually give you even more information on how to install them, and he's very knowledgeable with the actual parts, and his car looks immaculate, if I may say so myself. All right, so yeah, let's get this going. Now, I will put an adhesion promoter just a little bit because these are sticky as is. So I'm gonna start with the small ones first. I'm gonna see which angle they go in and then go about that. When I spit it off top, little bitch, and look just like that. This adhesion promoter is from Adro, but you could just get one at Amazon. I suggest you actually get one. You need one for this type of installation. King of the palace, rubber like Malcolm, balled up fist in the air to the flashlight. Yeah, hands up in the air that they got me. And this is elastic, so it will fold to how you want it to fold, just like that. And like I said, this is a perfect weather to actually do this because it's just hot out. You can tell the adhesive promoter just dries up completely. And then the reason why I'm doing this first is due to the fact that the sun visors are going to be blocking this area. So I wanted to do this first. And as you guys could tell, I'm butting it up under here, down here first, because the sun visors are gonna actually be blocking this area up here. So I have it mostly free up here, and then the sun visor is gonna be blocking that area. But this is an easy mod, looks really good. Match it up top. And the reason why I'm mashing it up like that is, like I said, because the sun visor is going to block the rest of that. We'll do the same thing on the other side, and then we'll put the sun visors on. All right, so here's the pillars, the carbon fiber pillars. Fucking that flame shit, y'all niggas stand your lane, young entertain. I'm next to rain, the fuck is you saying? Out of my brain. And one way to do this, just for a little tip, is to start it on the bottom and to go up. If you start it on the bottom and you capsize it over here on the bottom, you can go up and it will be perfect. Here's the other side. Started from the bottom and went up. Started from the bottom over here also, all leveled. Started from the bottom, now we're here. All right, so this is the carbon fiber pillars, about $70 worth of product. 3M tape, should take you about 10 minutes. Make sure that you clean this up and then put adhesion promoter. And yeah, thanks for watching, and as always, keep switching gears. Peace.